Here it is, you guys. Well guys, as you guys can see on the title, it's not good news for the Galant. Fortunately, broke the transmission. I was on my way to a no prep event at the track, and I did a pull around the corner of my house, did a first, a second, and second gear let go. There's no first gear. I was able to limp it home in third gear. I still had third, fourth, fifth. I don't believe reverse even works, but just so you guys can see. Yep. I'll put it in first, no clutch, no nothing. First gear, not a damn thing. Second gear, nothing. No clutch, no nothing. Idling. I do believe what did this was was when I had a broken rear axle and I went to go do some pulls, and it was just doing front wheel drive burnouts and wheel hop. It was wheel hopping and stuff. So I'm sure that weakened the transmission, and I'm pretty positive that's what led to this. So let's do another video of removing the transmission again. And just a quick note, I did redo the garage. I have much more space in here. I did sell the workbench and that other small toolbox that I had. I was gonna buy a bigger box, but it sounds like it's gonna have to go to fluid for this car, because I'm more salty about the gear fluid that I just put in here there. Oh, I don't know, less than 20 miles ago. Not even that, probably less than 10 miles. But oh well. So it's been a little while since I've done this, so I'm just going to start with the wheels, get it jacked up, axles, drain the fluid, remove the piping out of the way, shift linkage, another shift linkage bolt right there, and that guy down there, the slave cylinder for the clutch, rear motor mount, my grounding kit, the battery ground I think is right there also, sensor there. So super upset, but let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. Got the air compressor all set up and ready to roll. Can't use a quick jack because I didn't get the car high enough into the driveway, but I got it high enough to work on. So let's go ahead and start cracking. Alright, don't forget 24mm to drain it. I'm kind of interested to see what it looks like in there. Wrong way. Alright, not sure how much was recorded good, but here goes the cross member. 3 18 millimeters, 2 14 millimeters in the back. The axle, don't forget there's a spacer, which goes, at this moment, I think it goes on the inside. Right there. But the axle, 14 millimeters. Bolts, that's it. Axle nut, 32 millimeter. These guys were 17. So don't forget those. Trying to think what else. I think I'm gonna come around and clean some of this stuff because it's just getting all over me. I have this axle out, obviously. Driver's side axle is always a pain, so I'll be fighting that one. It is beginning to get dark, so this pretty much sucks, but nothing I can do. Let's keep working through it.